Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Julian, come in here.
What's up, y'all? We're gonna go IKEA.
I already started it.
We just got here. Look at this.
I already started the vlog though.
Yeah. Yeah. My phone look better though.
No.
Oh my god. Wow, son. Let's get out of here.
My teeth look yellow in the sun.
They always yellow.
Gooey white wine. You color shy.
Oh shit. Oh whoa.
Where nada, I'm in between, but way more pressure.
Oh.
Alright, guys.
Bye. I'll see you later. All right. Peace out. Bye. Bye. Oh. Can't see my face, bro. I want to see yours.
Anyways, get that Android out of here.
My phone sucks.
We're about to go pick up my mom from my grandmother's house, and we're gonna go to IKEA. My hair's staticky.
Man, tall Nina. Dang.
It's because I'm sit up all the way. Look at my hair. It won't go down.
Nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast.
Come on. I seen a rainbow yesterday, but too many storms have come and gone, leaving a trace. So now one God given ray. Is it because my life is 10 shades of gray? I pray all 10 fade away, celebrate them for the 70s. And like this promise is true, only my faith can undo the many chances I blew to bring my life to an end. Clear blue and unconditional, skies have dried the tears.
I got me some braids and I got me some hoes. Started rocking the sleeve, I can't buy with no jaws. You know how I do it, can close on my toes.
I heard the meatballs are good though.
They're not. The only person I know that likes their food is Marvin, and it's not good. Shout out to Marvin, yeah. Shout out to El Addicts too. We got some new songs coming out. A new song coming out.
Mama.
Friday.
Hey.
Ooh.
I stuck with the duck right on my head. Damn, my shadow's big. Oh, look, cartel over there. This guy.
My house.
Okay, so I think the things are over here. We're trying to look for some shelves.
I say it's bonus.
Gaveta. Oh yeah, my type of salad.
We at IKEA, yeah. Inspirations. Look at the contrast. Red, black, white. Powerful colors. Oh, that nice light looking nice.
Yeah, let me take a picture of them. Let's go to the kitchen. Find some food.
Let's go get some food.
Shuffling it up.
Let's go get some food. So allegedly this is a barn style home setup. Kitchen. Pure trash. Is that chalk? So stupid.
I'm trying to look for a specific
Listen,
thing.
I think you're going the wrong way for like what you're looking for. You know that, right?
I know. I like this one. It's pink. But yeah, we're trying to look for a specific thing. It's like something that you could put like makeup in, or oh, look at these. We're in the closet section. What?
Huh?
We came from here, no? No.
We're stuck in the
This
main.
is a mattress section. Oh, it might be through here though.
Actually, okay.
I'm just gonna ask somebody for help.
I don't know what's
Aisle 67.
Yep, aisle 67, bin 24.
Okay, here's but I'm gonna get the taller one that's over there. This one? Yeah, I did. There's only 3 left for the other one. I'm gonna get some chairs too.
Did you see those other ones?
I'm gonna get a chair for her.
No.
Yeah. Look, it has a fireplace.
Are you serious? Damn, I need a bathroom like this.
I wish our bathroom was like this, right? The tub alone, I like.
Hey.
Made a shower. Put a shower, how nice.
Oh yeah, that's nice. Julie, want to look at the bathroom?
She's in it now.
Yeah, that'll be weird.
Yeah.
I think this is a barn style house.
No, it's not. Let me see.
But they got straw hats.
She
What?
gon-
I dare you. Hurry up. Oh, shit, he gonna break it. He broke the tub. Oh,
Oh.
this one. Julian, this is the barn style house.
That's literally Christina bed right here.
Look, barn style house.
You look ugly. This is a different bed you could use, Christina.
Julian, I don't like the color.
But in white.
Yeah, you heard it crack.
Man,
You heard it crack.
Dirty.
No,
It's sturdy.
no. You heard it crack. Just make it crack. That was nice too.
See for me.
You want that room?
Or white. Not white.
I want that for my room.
What?
That right?
The rag.
You think they sell that?
The rack or the rag?
Like the
Oh,
the
the-
hanger rack.
That's
The
cute.
what?
The rack. This thing.
De ropa.
Mhm.
Yeah, they sell that.
They sell that here, Julian.
Eso lo venden hasta en Facebook. Lo tienen a veces por $20.
You can find it on Facebook Marketplace.
It's like $13.
It's hot in here. This
much
one
is
is
it?
nice too.
13.
Look at this. Cute.
You gotta up me.
Get off of me. That's nice. Oh, never mind. You got the crib in here.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. For Huela Colón. Oh, this is a bathroom. Ew. Basic. Let's
morning,
get out of
y'all.
here.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Oh, I thought it was a mirror there.
There's a mirror. Oh, shit.
Oh.
Oh yeah, this is the best bedroom I've ever seen because it's in black.
Like my house already, right?
Mine too, right?
want?
It's mine too?
What you want?
Hey, they got a bar in here?
Christina,
Oh,
look.
and also jewelry. Oh, that's the mirror I want, but in white. Gotta get the shoe game.
Remember, shoppers, IKEA.com is open 24 hours a day for your order
Yo,
and
they open
convenience.
24 hours. It's nice in here. I'm telling my mom to come in here. Hold on.
Follow the path.
It's so good around here.
I know.
This is what it is. The
And
candles.
it's only $1. Oh no, it's $1.99.
$1.99. That's not bad.
It smells good.
Really good.
Have too long like you. Yeah. We're there. And we're here. Self-service checkout. Look at the warehouse. About to go put some work in.
Warehouse.
Feels like BJ's or something.
It does. Costco?
Yeah.
15, Nina.
Ma, I dare you to get on that.
Where? Yeah, alright.
I said, mommy. Ma, get on that. I know. Get on the hamaca. Where? Right there. It's the metal one. She don't want to get on. Whoa.
Hair too long like y'all. Aisle 15, where y'all going?
Aisle 65.
Oh, really?
65, and then you have to go to 15.
Oh,
Should
okay.
have got a flatbed. I just sat on it while you guys pushed.
Say it again.
Should have got a flatbed cart so I
And
can
roll
lay
you?
on it.
And roll you.
Yeah.
Tire pop.
It won't pop because it's not one of those things.
Hmm?
Just get the camera out of my face.
It's TMZ. Oh my god.
Okay.
Alright, my bad. Yo, Christina just took the last one. Oh. And the girl
the
was right
last
there.
one.
She was right there.
She's mad at me.
And she had me carry it too.
She's mad at me.
She crazy.
That lady's mad at me.
She was like,
She was like, Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's it. Hey, she the one. She the one that. Whoa. I don't know why she was just sitting back though. She could have got it. But hey, man, it's not broken. The Savage.
Nina, is it in the color you want though?
Yeah, it's white. Look at the hole. Yeah, guys, so I took the last one. It's like shelves. I'll put a picture in. Oh, you guys probably saw it earlier, but I'm just chilling right now, waiting for Julian. And my mom went to go look around. But yeah, I got new glasses. But they don't have anti-glare, so yeah. Need to do a mask. Hurry up, Julian. Alright, I'll get back to you guys later. Adios. Alright, Julian's coming now.
Got my piece.
That's for his bed.
Guess how much it costs?
Free.
$3.99.
$3.99.
Guess what? Guess what? My bed has been falling for 2 years.
Are you serious?
I've been fixing it every time.
I wouldn't know. I don't stay there.
You don't.
Oh, look. Hey, Aria. Hey, how are you? How's it going? Take a load of this guy.
What?
Get a load of this guy.
Get a load of this.
All right, guys. So we're going to close out this video.
It's the last one, y'all.
The last one.
For today.
Oh.
For the week.
Oh, yeah.
It's the
so,
IKEA run.
Yeah, IKEA. I'll show you guys, like, when it's done. And, yeah. Ma, you want to say bye to the vlog?
Bye, people.